Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them.
The splatter and the sting of hot oil? Meet Clarela, your stainless steel solution to preventing grease, oil, and spills from dirtying up your stove and counters. Rather than mesh, this rust-resistant screen has small round holes that allow the right amount of steam to escape, giving you that much-desired soggy-free sear. Works great as a lid to prevent boilovers, and you can even use it on the grill. Clarela absorbs cooking odor and captures splatters for safe cooking and a clean kitchen. So you can fry, saute, simmer, and braise while protecting your stovetop and your hands. Its large size and simple design make it an ideal partner for any pot and pan. Multifunctional, incredibly durable, and absolutely easy to clean. Put it to the test and enjoy a delicious meal minus the mess. Make a better life with Clarela.
Connect the lighting fixture to a smart plug, and you can then use your smartphone or virtual assistant to turn the lamp on and off. You can also create a schedule or smart home routine that will automatically turn the lamp on or off. Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. The Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug is our top choice among the best smart plugs. It's more compact than most offerings out there, so you won't lock your outlet to, yes, even Siri. This smart plug has a physical switch, so if you don't want to use your voice or an app to turn your appliance on or off, you can click the switch on the Wemo. It also has a clever away mode, which can make it seem like you're home even when you're not by turning a lamp on intermittently. TP-Link Casa Smart.
Inside